Which research approach is the most appropriate to establish a relationship that is causal in nature? Causal comparative, experimental, correlation, descriptive. The correct option is option B, experimental. To establish a causal relationship, that is to determine that one variable cause a change in another, the experimental approach is that most appropriate. This method involves manipulation of an independent variable, control of extraneous variable, use of random assignment, measuring effect in dependent variables. Causal comparative studies cause effect relationship after the fact without manipulation. Correlation examines relationship but does not establish causality. Descriptive simply describes characteristic or phenomena, no relationship or cause. So uh, the most appropriate to establish the relationship, that is the causal nature, is the experimental. Option B is the correct option. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That is now bye bye.